up to that big house in my name.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Anti-Gorgeous here with another video. I know I'm looking crazy with just my eyes done, but you guys already know what this video is about. But if you guys know by the title, I will be trying out the Beauty Bakerie foundation and setting powder. So that's why I just wanted to come on with my eyebrows and my eyes already done. And I just wanted to focus on the foundation and the setting powder in this video. So let's just get started. So I ordered the Beauty Bakerie foundation and the setting powder, and it comes in this box. It's so cute. Like, you're just ready to like bake. So I got the Demi Matte foundation. It's a vegan, long-lasting, non-acnegenic formula. So it's 100% vegan, which is always good. The little setting powder that comes in this little bag that looks like flour. It's so cute. This is such a cute idea. So if your skin is dry, prep your face with the Wake and Bake. Or I don't have any of the things that they have on this box, but I do have my own prepping stuff. So foundation comes like this. Comes in a bit. This packaging is, I'm living for this packaging. You just pull the foundation right out. The shade that I got, I hope that it matches me. This is just shade number 7, and I'm hoping that this is my shade. I'm gonna really shake it up. I got this in the mail maybe a couple of days ago, so it's kind of been sitting in my room. I'm only gonna use one thing to prep my skin. I'm gonna be using a Smashbox primer, or anything that you normally use for your skin to prime it. I would say do that. Since this is a Demi matte foundation, I want to make sure that my skin is really moisturized, so I like to use this oil right into the foundation. Like I said, that's the only thing that I'm going to use for my skin. I've been liking the primer oil because it's been really working for me. I don't have to put on like my moisturizing setting sprays and all that. I'm going to do like 4 pumps, apply it on my face. And it looks like it can match me. It looks a little more like red. I am kind of red toned, so we'll see. This is quite a bit, but you know, we're just gonna spread this out. I don't know how I really feel about like matte foundations. I really could care less about matte foundations, but we're gonna see how this holds up. And so far, this is looking good. It's blending in really well on my skin. And I don't really trip if my foundation is a little off, because after I highlight and contour, it doesn't matter. I feel like I got a little scent to it. It smells kind of good, y'all. I don't know if it smells like a pastry or anything, but it definitely has like a good scent to it. See, I look kind of red on camera, but we're gonna see how this like plays out after I highlight. I'm just gonna go right ahead, use my Too Faced concealer. Now for the setting powder, I'm going to now kind of not really bake. I'm going to kind of just do what I normally do with my Sacha Buttercup. So I kind of want to show y'all how the Sacha Buttercup looks compared to the Beauty Bakerie. So this is Sacha and it's the Beauty Bakerie. So it is yellow, but it's really light. This is more like a golden yellow. I'm going to go right ahead, take some of my beauty sponge and press it in. And I feel like this is a little more fine than my Sacha. And you know, if you watch my channel, how I feel about like fine powders, because it kind of leaves like a flashback. So let's just hope for the best. Okay, so while this is kind of sitting and baking, I'm gonna go right ahead and add some more warmth to my face. One thing that I did notice about this foundation is that it is a little more red. I could definitely go without it being so, I mean, I feel like a red undertone, but this is really red, which is not a problem, because if you contour and highlight right, that wouldn't matter. But just to let you guys know that this is my shade number 7, is more like red. So just to let you guys know. Now it's time to brush away this excess powder, and I'm gonna be using this brush that I got from Amazon. It's supposed to be the NARS Kabuki brush dupe, but this brush was like $3. I'm gonna try to find a link for you guys, but I really like this little brush. It's a little more flimsier than I think the NARS brush, but it works just as fine. I'm just gonna use this brush just away and blend this all together. So I'm gonna go right ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera and be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so my final thoughts on the foundation is that it's an okay foundation. I'm not like super duper in love with it, which is okay, you know, but I would definitely reach for it again. The only thing I don't like is that it's so red. It is a foundation that is medium to full coverage, so you can build up, but something about matte foundation and my skin personally, no matter what I do, it kind of looks weird on me, but I feel like it doesn't look bad, you know, but I just got my preference. I just love like dewy foundation. You guys can definitely go check it out and use it for yourself. You know, it's just not, I'm not crazy about it. It's like, it's okay foundation. As far as the powder, again, I just like it. You know, I'm not like crazy over it, only because I like thicker like consistency as far as like my setting powder. This is a little more fine for me, and I just personally don't care for like fine powders. I feel like I would probably use this like to set my eyelids or something like that, but it's an okay powder. I'm not like crazy over it, but I don't hate it. You know, I just like it. Leave your thoughts below if you already tried anything from Beauty Bakerie, and what are your thoughts on it as far as like quality? Like, you guys love it, you guys hate it, you know, just let me know. But for me, I just think it's okay. You know, I have just like other foundations that I like love, and I'm comparing it to what I really like. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you are new to the channel, hi, welcome to the family. And if you guys are already subscribed, welcome back. That is it. Slay every day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.